Hey everybody, this is Ryan here with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I wanted to do a shorter video on something that I don't think we cover very well, and that is how vapor honing can be an essential tool when it comes to manufacturing. Let's get into it. So today I want to discuss a few things that I've compiled that to me make vapor honing an essential part when it comes to manufacturing. And up first we have prepping, and this is prepping your parts or something that you're going to be finishing down the line. And what I mean by prepping is you're actually blasting these parts so that you can put a finish on them, whether that's Cerakote, anodizing, whatever it may be. Vapor honing can provide the perfect surface roughness and finish on your parts before they're finished. Additionally, vapor honing can remove small burrs and blemishes from your parts, making them look even better after finishing. The reason that a lot of manufacturing plants and manufacturers are switching over to vapor blasting is because they don't have to worry about damaging their part. With traditional styles of blasting and other competing processes, you do have that fear of damaging a batch just because the pressure's up too high or something of that nature. But with vapor honing, you don't have to worry about this because of its clean by flow nature. Another reason why a lot of manufacturers are switching over to vapor honing is because it's dustless. So you don't have to worry about having a sectioned off room specifically for your equipment, because you're actually able to just blast wherever you need. All that comes out of your stack is vapor. And you also don't have to worry about chemicals being introduced because vapor honing is environmentally friendly by nature. Also, because vapor honing is by nature environmentally friendly, it's also safer for your employees, meaning they don't have to wear as much PPE. Now, the next benefit of using vapor honing for manufacturing can actually be looked at for the prepping and finishing side, because you can create a surface finish while cleaning your part. Now, what I mean by this is because you have the water in the system, you're actually able to clean off this part. So if you have any cutting oil or small bits of grease on the part, whatever you may have, vapor honing will take that off and you'll be left with a perfectly clean part when you're finished blasting. Now that we've hit on the prepping side of manufacturing, we can actually discuss the finishing side and why a vapor honing cabinet is the perfect tool for this. Let's just start with creating a finish actually. So with vapor honing, it's very easy to custom tailor what you want a part to look like when it's finished. And that can be with any material. Let's say you're working with metal and CNC machine parts. If you use a glass bead, you can get a nice polished finish and you won't have any of those CNC machine lines. Additionally, if you're blasting with ceramics, you can roughen the surface or smooth it with a vapor honing machine. You can do glass. You can actually put any type of material in there. Again, because of that clean by flow nature, it will not damage them. But let's actually move on from using a vapor honing cabinet to create appearance-based surface finishes. And let's actually move on to the performance side, because let's say you have two pieces of metal that are constantly rubbing and you need a certain surface roughness or RA value. Vapor honing can actually get those pieces to that surface roughness. We've done a lot of in-house testing. We can bring the surface roughnesses down on metal and bring them up. So we can help you get to the surface roughness values that you need for your performance parts. Additionally, with the finishing on the manufacturing side, with vapor honing, because of its non-aggressive clean by flow nature, you're able to get very consistent finishes. You're not relying on the abrasive to actually impact the part because the water helps it flow over it. And that's why you can actually put it in the hands of someone who's not as well trained and get better results than you were getting with your previous processes quickly. And we at Vapor Honing will also help you figure out what abrasive pressures and distances you need to be blasting at with your machine. That way you know for certain that you're getting the best results you can. So now that we've mentioned the prepping and finishing side of vapor honing, I would like to mention something that a lot of people will actually miss. And it's one of the largest things that vapor honing can help with manufacturing, and that's actually the upkeep and maintenance of your production line. Now, what I mean by this is, let's say you're doing some sort of resin and you have a mold. Over time, as you know, that resin gets caked on there and you have to remove it. And a lot of times that means sandblasting or chemically dipping those parts. But with vapor honing, you'll know for certain that you can remove that resin or something from your mold and you won't damage the mold itself because of the non-aggressive, clean by flow nature that vapor honing has. Additionally, you can take parts and pieces off of your assembly line and blast them and bring them back to how they were whenever you put them in. So the vapor honing is a great way to maintain and keep your efficiency up on your production line. So to recap on everything that I've said so far, because I know I throw it out there pretty quickly, vapor honing is the perfect tool when it comes to manufacturing because it can aid in the prepping, finishing, and actual maintenance and upkeep of your production line. There's really not a process out there where vapor honing cannot be applicable because it's so versatile and we can custom tailor it to your needs. So if you would like to get the perfect prepping, finishing, maintenance tool for your company or business today, you can call us at 828-202-5563 or visit our website, vaporhoningtechnologies.com, to get yours today. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day and peace. Also, I forgot to mention, if you guys like this video and have anything else that you would like to see, please leave it in the comments below and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Also, check out our other socials where we post great videos just like this every day. And again, thank you all for watching. Have a great day. See ya.
Where you're just like,
There's another one. You guys better get these things. They're going like they're hot. Because they are hot. People miss, and it's something that vapor honing.
now you're doing me.
I keep getting tongue-tied.